We are here for another unboxing video, and this is the LG 29-inch ultra-wide monitor. This is the LG 29 WP500. HDMI cable, power adapter, and this is for the stand, some screws, warranty card, user's manual, setup guide. This is for the stand. This is the base monitor stand. Is the 29-inch LG Ultrawide Monitor. Let's do a quick compare. This is a 27-inch and this is the Ultrawide. Now let's do a quick setup. Okay. I'm setting this up with the included stand, but eventually I'm going to transfer this to my workstation and replace one of the two monitors. There are two HDMI ports. This is for the power and this is for the headphones. It doesn't have a speaker. This is just for testing. Eventually, I'm going to replace this monitor with this one. I'm going to attach this to the back of the Apple Mac Mini. Then I'm going to plug in the LG 29-inch ultra-wide monitor. Now I'm going to turn on the computer. Now it's recognizing this as the main monitor. Check the display. Okay. This will be our main monitor, and this is the second monitor. I think this monitor doesn't have a power button. Yeah, no power button. Now I'm going to transfer the monitor to that monitor arm. There. Perfect. Now I'm going to configure Adobe Premiere in this new setup. I'm going to transfer my whole workspace to the 4K monitor. Then I'm going to transfer the timeline to this ultra-wide monitor. I'm going to undock this and transfer it here. Now I have a big timeline. I'm going to transfer some of my panels to this lower box. Now I'm going to save this as my newest workspace. Save as new workspace, June 2022. Now for the last step, we are going to calibrate the 29-inch LG Ultrawide Monitor. So why do I need to calibrate it? Unlike my professional series monitor, this monitor is not as color accurate out of the box. Most budget monitors are built to be more vibrant and more saturated than the professional series monitors. So we'll be needing an external calibrator like this. This is an X-Rite or ViewSonic calibration kit. I'm going to connect this to my computer and launch the calibration app. Device selection. Now I'm going to select this LG monitor. Please connect one of the supported measurement device. Although I only bought this monitor for multitasking to support my professional monitor, where I work with my artworks and my color grading, it would still help if this monitor is calibrated. It says here, save ICC profile. So I'm going to save the ICC profile for this monitor. Save as LG 070623. Save. So what do you think about my new setup? Should I stack it vertically, as my friend suggested, or leave it as it is? Please feel free to comment below. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. On my next video, I'm going to unbox and set up the Huion Canvas 13-inch. This will be my third monitor.